Wild edibles are everywhere, all places you can see. But most people don't know what they offer for free. In today's world, there is something quite clear, a disconnect to where we live and the things that grow here. We run to the store for starving we fear, but if we calm down and broadened our steer, we could see all the foods growing everywhere here, and food shortage we no longer would fear. We currently face a global crisis, so why not throw away your shopping list? For you will find when you eat wild and free, self-reliance is gained in a great meal you'll see.